So we are going to deal with this hub here. So this is the hub here, as you're seeing. But the problem is this hub is it doesn't have here a hole for the sensor. So this is the sensor here. It is for the speed sensor, so it doesn't have a hole for the speed sensor here. So what you're going to do, if you try to measure the speed sensor size 17 millimeters, so you're going to drill with 18 millimeters because I don't have 17, just for allowance. Then we shall also put here a hole, and we put in the threads so that we can put a small cable which can tie this pin, which can tie this sensor. So like this one, which can tie this sensor inside here. So that's what we are going to do. So you have to drill in the hole and you penetrate through. So this is 80 millimeters. So we are going to put in 18 millimeters. So this is the 18 millimeter drilling bit. If you try to check here, it says 18 millimeters. So that's what we are going to do now. Jadi bos bos. Pulang. Udah besok. Assalamualaikum. So kan reject. Away from them. Welcome. Ini dapat semua.
Isso, não, eu tô só.